everyone, welcome back to nikhiskilltech YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to explore data structure and algorithms in a C program that demonstrate basic array operations like displaying elements, inserting an element and deleting an element. Let us dive into the code and see how it works. Let's start with the code now. We will include a standard input-output library, and also the display array function takes an array and its size as an argument and prints all the elements. Now let us include the function to insert an element at the given position in an array using this structure. The insert element function inserts an element at a specific position. It first checks if the position is valid and empty. If it is valid and it shifts elements to the right to make a space, insert the new elements and update the sizes also. Now let us understand the functions to delete an element at the given position from the array. This is the code for it. The delete element function deletes an element at the specified position. It first checks if the position is valid. If valid, it shifts the elements to the left to fill the gap and update the size. Now let us move on to the main function. In the main function, we initialize an array and its size, and we will display the original array, insert an element 10 at the position 2, display the updated array, delete an element at the position 3 now, and display the final array. So by the end, we will close our program with a return function, that is return 0, and we will close our curly brace. Now let us compile and run our program. Here we go. This is the output window. It displays the array element. We have only 5 numbers just because we have initialized array size is equal to 5. Now this second statement represents that we have inserted an element 10 at the place 2. Among these 5 elements, we have represent over here. The third statement represents that we have deleted the element at the position of 3, which was number 3 again. So finally, we will display our array. If you got confused by seeing the output window, let me clarify you that by making a small changes in my code. I'll just add a const character message parameter over here at the void display array, and also I will print for a string, say as message. Whatever the message I give will be displayed in the output window. So the message will be typed over here in a main function, where I also have a small alteration over here. This is the declaration of an array, and here I initialize size of an array, where inside the display original array over here, I'll add a message called array element inside the double quote, and also in the insert element section, I'll add a display array message as array elements after insertion. And finally, in a delete element section, I'll add a display array message as array elements after deletion. Here we go. Now you can observe the difference very clearly. We got the prompt message say as array element over here listed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the second statement says as array elements after insertion, after adding the array element to my array, and this is the result. And finally, the third statement states that array elements after the deletion, and the result you can observe over here. I hope you have understood the program. Whatever might be the confusion, you can drop it in a comment section. And that's how you can perform a basic array operation in data structure and algorithm using C program. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more programming tutorials. Thank you for watching my videos. Take care. Bye-bye.